Welcome back developers, Yogesh here, your data scientist buddy. Today, project is one of the most practical tools you have ever built. Seriously, every laptop user needs this. We are creating a Python script that automatically organizes your massive folder into the clean categories. Images in one place, PDF in another, zip files sorted separately, all with one script. Okay, you know that one folder on your system that looks like a disaster, usually like a download folder, screenshot, PDF, documents, audio file, zip file, everything mixed like a biryani of a file folder. Okay, now imagine Python doing that cleaning job for you. No more dragging files, no more searching. Just run this script once and your entire folder becomes clean and organized. So what does our text file organizer will do? It reads all the file inside the folder. It checks each file extension. It creates folder like images, documents, audio, video, PDF, GIF and others. And it moves every file into its correct category. This is the perfect introduction of automation and file handling using the Python. Okay, so let's jump into the code. So here we are going to use OS, that is inbuilt model, OS. Next one, import shutil. Okay, so here OS help us to interact with the operating system, and shutil we will use to move files from one place to another place. Next, we will create the one variable path is equal to, and here we will give input. Okay, in that input enter the path of directory that you want to organize. Okay, next we will categorize the file type. So I will comment it file type categorize. In that I will give file types. Okay, previously this one line is there, path. What it will do, this takes the folder path where you want the cleanup to happen, and for example your download folder. Okay, here in this path we will give. Next, file types. In that file types, in the images I will create one dictionary. In that images bmp dot and also tip file, jpg, png, all files. Next one, in the documents pdf and docs, txt, xlsx, and also we will include ppts and one more file .ppt and .doc file also. Next, for PDF we will keep it separate, so not here. For PDFs, the PDF we are created. Next, for audio, so in that mp3 file, wave file and a .aac file we will keep. Next one, we will create one more file type, that is videos. In that mp4.mov, .avi and .mk we will keep. And next, zip file. Okay, so in the zip file, .zip file, .rar file, .tar file will keep, or .gh file will keep in this folder. And next, close this. Okay, so this dictionary maps file extension to their categories. So if a file ends with .jpg, it goes into images. If it's end with .pdf, so it goes into the PDF folder. Okay, if any file is ending with .mp3, so it will go to audio. If the file is ending extension is .mp4, so it will go to videos, or .zip, it will go to zip folder. Okay, now we'll create the folder if needed. So create directory for each file type. For folder in file type, file types, then we'll create one variable folder path. Then here we will give os.path.join path folder. If not, then os.path.exist. Then create make directory folder path. Okay, so before sorting, we make sure all the required folder are exist or not. If not, then Python, using the Python, we are using this make directory. So make dirs. So it will make the directory. Okay, create the directory automatically. Okay, next. Okay, now here we will organize the files into the respective directory. So for that, for file in os.list directory, os.list directory of path so here file path os.path.join path and file, then here skip the directory or skip the folder. If os.path is directory, then continue, otherwise split the text file dot lower and move dot false. Okay, so here now we loop through every item in the folder. If it's already a folder, so we will skip it, and here we are used os.path.split text, so it will split the file name and gives us the extension. So we also keep a flag to check whether the file was moved. Okay, next. Next, for folder of extension in file types dot item, if ext of extension, and here shutil we are using for moving the folder. So shutil dot move file path, and here we are used os.path.join, and here path of our folder or as well as the name. Okay, this part what it will do, it will check which category the file belongs to and move it there. Okay, and next it will move the files. Okay, next is if not moved. Okay, if not moved all the files, so it will go to other folder. So other folder we will create. So other folder dot os.path.join. So it will create the one more folder, that is others. Okay, if not in the os path.exist, so it will create other folder and create this folder, make directory other folder. Okay, and using the shutil we will move other files into this other folder. Okay, files are moved into the others. Next, here file organization, it is completed. Okay, so here if the file doesn't match any non extension, so we will move it to a folder called others. Okay, this keeps everything clean and organized. And the last, the final message confirms the job is done. Okay, so let me run this script. So it will ask the folder path. Okay, enter the path of the directory you want to organize. So here I will go to my download, and here I will just copy this download, or I will right click in this download, and here copy as path. I will copy this path, and again we will go to this and paste it here, and it will in double quote, so I will remove this double quote, and next enter. Okay, so here you can see file organizer is completed, everything it is moved in the folders. Okay, so let me check again once in the download. See guys, previously we saw that there is having lots of files, like a biryani of the files. Okay, now everything is organized: audio file, document file, images, others, PDF, videos, and all the GIF file. Okay, within a second, images go to the images, PDF goes to the PDF, GIF file goes to the GIF, videos goes to the video, and unknown items goes to the others. Okay, boom guys, your entire folder is sorted automatically. Okay, so try this script on your download folder and let me know in the comment how many files did Python clean up for you today, and make sure to subscribe the Codio for daily Python script, and simple and powerful and perfect for building your real world automation skills. Okay, so this is the total code that we have written. Within 38 lines of code, we are moved all the files in a single time only. Okay, whenever you want, you can use this code, and